everyone, and welcome to the start of second semester. You can see from the dates here you have just the first 3 days of class for your orientation. There are 4 or 5 assignments due. Let's talk about those briefly. The first 3 you should easily be able to get through, but I've got 2 due on Wednesday. First three due on Wednesday, then you've got 1 to work on, and then the last 2 due on Friday. So let's just look at them. It's going to look a lot like the first semester orientation, but with fewer assignments in the first few days. So in the first session, you just have to email me, but there's a little bit of a twist on what you need to email me. In session 2, I think there's 2 assignments here. One, a screenshot showing me that you have completed the student information form. Don't forget to hit submit once you take that screenshot. Also, you need to show me that you have joined Remind. And both of these are, those and the previous email one are all due on Wednesday, the first day that we're back. Okay, things you need to know for chemistry. So this part's going to be new, and we're going to focus on a problem-solving technique called dimensional analysis, or you might also come across it called factor label. So really, when you get to these, it's about the process. It's not about the right answer at this point this week. I want you to focus on the process. So you need to watch this Brightstorm video. Really important. She goes through how you do it. And then on here, conversions with dimensional analysis. There's more of the same. Here's some good practice sheets. What else have I got in here for you? Then there's some problems. Okay, so I've given you a link to a Google document. There's 13 problems on the document, but I've kind of given you some choices. You have to do 10, and you can divide them up however you want after the first 5. And again, you must show me your work, and it's about the process more than it is the answer at this point. So if you just give me an answer, you're only going to get half credit because you have to show me that you know how to do this. And because a lot of what we'll be doing this semester is based on calculations, you have to go back to what you learned about scientific notation, and if it's a large number, you need to use it. And you also need to remember significant figures and rounding. Okay, so remember, just because your calculator gives you an answer that has 7 places past the decimal, that's maybe not how many places you should turn in. You need to show discretion and show you know how to use those scientific notation numbers. All right, so that's the assignment there. Then the last assignment that's due as part of the orientation is, if you're returning, I want you to open up the attached PDF file, find your name, and then when you hit submit, I want you to enter your login and your password for the textbook. If you are new to JVA, what you need to do is send me an email and remind me that you are new, and then watch for my reply giving you your login and your password, because there will be both. Okay, so that's the last one. These should easily be done in the first 3 days, not a problem, and start out the semester on time and on track and not behind. Let me know if you have questions.